This is an extract of a letter that I sent to the majority of senators. All the senators in Adelaide I personally delivered, and the majority of senators I posted them a letter via their Parliament House post office box, the official Parliament House post office box. And clearly it's headed Senate Inquiry, and it asks, I seek your authority to cause a Senate inquiry. And I'm asking for an inquiry basically into Medicare, and I indicate the methods of corruption that I have experienced, simply to give weight to my request for Senate inquiry. I've only received 3 letters in response. This was sent about 2 weeks ago. One letter came on a black and white, unofficial letterhead of the Attorney General. There's no impressed on the paper. It's just printed directly from a laser printer, black and white. You can see the signatures in blue. This is the exact letter. And this is the envelope that came in. You see that's got the post thing on it, and it's been marked in Canberra. So somewhere between the time I posted it and the time it was received or replied to, somebody has illegally intercepted this letter. This person at the Attorney General's office claims to be a constitutional expert, He's probably a figment of his own imagination. And he says he's responding on behalf of the senator. And the letter basically says, fuck you, lady. This letter is a response to the letter I sent to Senator Payne. This letter is the same deal, printed without official letterhead, without any impress on the paper, from a laser printer. That's the signature. Again, probably a figment of the person's own imagination. This particular letter says it's coming from the Department of Human Services. Now you'll get your head around this one. In response to my letter to the Minister for Defence. So what this letter is saying, the Department of Human Services regularly replies to letters sent to the Minister for Defence. No wonder the country's fucked. In fact, I sent the letter to Senator Payne. Whether Senator Payne has other hats is neither here nor there. The hat that this one has to be responding with a head under is Senator Payne. Not anybody else, but Senator Payne. I asked Senator Payne to file for a Senate inquiry, because only a senator can lodge in the Senate for a Senate inquiry, which is why I've asked the senators. This letter basically says, fuck you too, lady. Oh, I forgot to show. This is the envelope that Senator Payne's letter came in. Marked Canberra, the same date as the other one, 12th of May, from Senator Brandis. So they're both 12th of May. See? So Senator Brandis and Senator Payne's letter postmarked at Canberra on the same day. Okay? This letter I hand-delivered, as I said, to Senator Xenophon's office. And without Senator Xenophon seeing the letter, this person has given me an answer, which is unconstitutional. Anna Gordon may have authority from the senator to do minor things, but she does not have, and could never have, and cannot even be given authority to make decisions about Senate matters on behalf of the senator. That's unconstitutional. So she basically says that I have asked for the office of Senator Xenophon to investigate my complaint, which is ludicrous. I asked for a Senate inquiry, and I know Senator Xenophon's office is not the Senate. She also goes on to say she will pass the information on to Mr. Xenophon, which means he doesn't know anything about it, and she's not even going to give him the letter. She's just going to tell him about it and her false interpretation of what my letter means. This letter is also unconstitutional, and it's evidence with the other two of domestic terrorism. It's illegal. It's criminal.